I'm Dan Ackerman, and we are here taking a look at the Maingear Nomad 17. Now, there is still a place in the world for big desktop replacement laptops, even though a lot of what we've seen lately are super slim ultrabooks or kind of inventive touchscreen hybrid convertible laptops. Every once in a while, especially if you're a PC gamer, you're going to want a big honking tank of a laptop like this. The problem is, even if you're willing to spend $2,000 or more on one of these systems, if you get it from a boutique PC maker like Maingear, like Origin, a couple of others, you'll get great attention to detail, lots of configuration options, a very powerful system, but it's built into a very generic body. Some companies use a Clevo body, some companies use an MSI body. Like this particular case right here, what you end up with is something that does not exactly look like maybe you spent $2,000 on it laptop-wise. At the very least, in Maingear's case, they take some automotive paint and give you a custom-colored back lid with a kind of baked-on, almost glistening car finish to it. But there's so much cool high-design stuff going on in laptops right now, it doesn't feel particularly modern. That point aside, what you can do with something like the Maingear Nomad 17 is start about $1,500 for a decent set of components, but then you can upgrade all the way up to a quad-core Core i7, the latest NVIDIA graphics, big hard drives, even big SSD hard drives. This particular configuration is a little bit north of $2,000, and we could have gone up even more if we added, let's say, like a 256 gig SSD to it. Performance-wise, this or any other super high-end laptop you're going to spend this kind of money on will just blow our benchmarks away in everyday use, even things like HD video editing or some other task that's very sort of intensive like that, no problem at all. I'm Dan Ackerman, and that is the Maingear Nomad 17.